What's up YouTube, this is Evil X Vendetta from the Evil Goods here, back with another Swarm video. This video is on Cove. Now before I get into it, I just want to let you guys know that the Evil Vendetta face that's on there that you see, I am Evil X Vendetta and I do use that face. So if any comments or questions, I'll be happy to answer that. Anyway, to get into the video now, I'm just going to show you how I get another Swarm on Cove. I have multiple Swarm videos in the making right now, so I hope you guys do enjoy the show and do enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on twitter.com/evilxvendetta. If you guys have any questions or suggestions or things that I should do, I know I said I have 100+ multiplayer videos and I will post them, and in the future, whatever you guys want, just let me know, feel free. So anyway, enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. This is the Evil Goods, Evil X Vendetta, bringing you hot new content.